Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to editing class. Today, we are going to study on internal check with respect to cash transactions. Cash transactions can be divided into two types: cash receipts and cash payments. Now, internal check with regards cash receipts. There should be proper system of internal check as regards cash transactions, as the employee tend to misappropriate cash in an organization. Cash receipts can be misappropriated in the following manner. Cash receipts may not be entered in the cash book, or cash received may be understated by preparing duplicate receipts for amount less than what is actually received, or cash sales may be treated as credit sales. Now, the following system of internal check may be adopted as regards cash receipts to prevent such misappropriation. First one is, all inward remittances should be opened by the cashier in the presence of a responsible officer. Second, on receipt of cash or check, it should be immediately entered in cash book or check received notebook. Third one, all remittances, that is draft check, must be crossed as account payee only. Next, fourth one is cash and checks received should be deposited immediately. Fifth one, bank pay-in slips should be prepared by a separate person who is not entrusted with the work of depositing cash in the bank. Next, sixth one is cash received after the banking hours should be kept in the locker of the business. The locker should be opened by the cashier in the presence of a responsible official. Next, seventh one, printed receipts should be issued for all remittances, signed by the cashier and responsible official. Eighth one, unused receipt book should be kept under the lock and key under the custody of the responsible official. Ninth one, cancelled or spoiled receipt should not be detached from the receipt book. Last one, cash balance should be physically verified by a responsible official by surprise check at frequent intervals. So these are commonly adopted internal check system with regard to cash receipts. Next, we'll study on cash payment. So how to maintain internal check as regards payment of cash. Here, there should be an effective system of internal check with regard to all payments made by the concern in the form of cash or check or bank transfers. Cash payments can be misappropriated in the following ways. Payments may be made against fictitious vouchers, or payments may be made against inflated vouchers, or payments may be made without receipt of goods, or revenue expenses may be treated as capital expenditure. Hence, to avoid all these misappropriation, There is a need of proper system of internal check. The following system of internal check should be adopted as regards cash payments. First, the person in charge of making cash payments should not have any connection with the responsible with the person responsible for receiving cash. Second, the person responsible for making cash payments should not have access to the books of accounts. Third one, all the payments should be paid by way of crossed check. Fourth one, after making payment against a particular bill or invoice, the voucher and supporting bill or invoices should be stamped as paid so that the same voucher is not again passed for payment. Fifth one, unused and cancelled vouchers and checkbooks should be kept under the custody of a responsible person. Next one is sixth one, person who is responsible for preparing the check should be clearly specified. Yes, specified. Before passing a bill for payment, it should be ensured that the goods have been received. Seventh one is the bill for which payment is to be made should be sanctioned by the responsible official. Eighth one, confirmation balances from the creditors should be made through direct correspondence. Ninth one, proper sanction should be obtained by directors from higher officials to make payment of transactions of special nature. Last one, bank reconciliation statement should be prepared to reconcile cash and bank balances from time to time. So these are the commonly followed internal check measures with regard to cash payments. Thank you.